guys, and welcome to the second video of this series on Chum Kiu. If you haven't already watched the first, go back and watch that, and we're going to go on to this one. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, that'd be fantastic. Obviously drop a like, share it. If you've got any questions, drop it in the comments section below and I'd be more than happy to help. Also, this form, is it different to yours? Probably. It's different to someone else's? Yep, more than likely. Everyone's going to do it differently, okay? And the thing is, it's not to get too caught up on technique. That's easy to say, but we are doing martial art for all. I mean, it's got to be within certain, there's got to be certain kind of guidelines that you follow, because otherwise you might as well be doing dancing, right? But at the same time, we're doing martial art, not martial science, and therefore there's an element of your own interpretation. In fact, I'd say quite a big element, okay? But anyway, so we're going to leave it. So don't get too caught up on the technique. I'm just going to give you the basic pattern and the basic reason why you're doing it. And then it's up to you guys to kind of learn from them, and kind of bring it to your own. And then hopefully you've learnt the form. That's a tool you can practice at home without any partner, any equipment. But it's just another tool for martial artists, okay? You can't fight learning the forms, but it's another tool you can use, okay? So that's why we don't get too caught up. Okay, so following on from the first video, we're going to get back in our neutral stance, okay, here, our basic Wing Chun stance, okay? So from here, we're going to go into Lancel again, left to right, that's a common denominator. So to your left, I'll move over slightly this way for the camera's sake. I'm going to Lancel again, shift, okay? So your centre's pointing 90 degrees that way now, was there. Your feet stay in the same place, they just turn, but so your centre line's facing 90 degrees that way. So we're going to shift, Lancel, okay? Then you're going to kick, okay? I kick personally about chest height, okay? Not low kick, not obviously head height. So kick, okay, kick here, back into your stance. So it basically comes up, kicks and back down again, okay? I'm going to kick, try and kick with the heel, or at least the the bottom part of your foot. You're not kicking with your toes any other way. Just kind of imagine the heel of your shoe, as long as that connects to the midsection. So here, okay, kick, and drop down into Lancel. Okay, one, and back here, kind of into Tan. Then you're going to step with your left and drag your right. So basically, it's just shifting your stance from here to here. So, Lancel again, okay, now from here, you're going to come up, this comes down and then up into kind of an uppercut, okay? This comes back, so you imagine from here, okay, comes straight up the chin. So Lancel, okay, up, okay, I'll come straight into Wu-Sal, ready for the punch, that slides, and back in, okay? And of course you do everything left to right, so you do the right side. Okay, so you shift, line, kick, okay, step back where you were, Lancel, back, step, got the step, and then drag, okay, as you do that, the step, one, okay, two, that was the third one I believe, then this comes round, up, falls back, okay, then comes straight to here, this rests, ready to, okay, pull through, okay, back in. Okay, that's it guys, I'm going to give you a quick run through again, just as a reference point for you guys. I don't want to cram too much in the video, so that's a shorter section than the first one, okay. So here we go, so from here, okay, just going to line, kick, 1, 2, 3, okay, back, okay, again using the hip, kick, 1, 2, 3, okay, finished that. It's the second section. So again guys, so any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video where we're going to go through the next section. So until then, I'll see you then.